welcome back. Please like or subscribe to my channel. I really love hearing from you guys. So if you want to leave me a comment, welcome all feedback. I'm shedding light on purpose and just what it can actually service in terms of pattern recognitions, shedding light on some things that we may not be able to do where we're at now. So it's learning our answers that we give to people can actually be a way of finding our own pattern recognitions. And this is something that I do a lot. I used to. I still do it to a certain extent, and I find it in other people as well. So the more that you actually work on yourself, the more that you can actually see your equality and respect in other people, because a lot of other people do it too. I know a lot of people that I work with say this, is the I don't know. And that's a pattern recognition to some of the answers, because we've learned not to trust ourselves in the answers. We've learned to go at a very superficial level. So it's just a feedback loop. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's kind of like, okay, well then that's triggering me to go deeper. So what is it actually, if you did know, what would it be? So it's learning to grow your awareness as some of the answers that you give people. You could be in a meeting, it could come up for you. It's one of those the pattern recognition of I don't know, and learn your pattern recognition. Learn to go deeper. Learn to really trust. Okay, this is what's coming up for me, and learn to trust that's the answer. And learn that it can evolve. We're all evolving. So what you may think when you go deeper is the answer, it'll evolve into something more, So it's learning to really go deeper. And sometimes we give the I don't know as a very superficial. We kind of let it be buried somewhere and we'll deal with it later on, but we never will. So it's learning to catch that pattern recognition of I don't know. So if you did know, what would it be? And learning our answers that we give actually is a pattern recognition as well. So learning that is probably one of the most powerful things, learning to go with it. It is a journey. So learning to trust when it comes up is to actually have that self-talk to say, okay, if I did know, what would it be? And that's one of the powerful things that we can do. So purpose serves us so much in our life. And so it's really important to add that into our power so that we are actually able to rely completely on ourselves. We are our own best friend, and we are the absolute guru to our life. So if we want power, this is something of a really great activity that I still do today. I used to do this a lot more than what I am now. So the I don't know in some of the answers is learning to actually trust that you do know the answer, and learning to evolve with the answer as time progresses. So learning that your answers that you give all the time can be a pattern recognition for you to learn how to trust and learn for you to move forward as well in life. I think it's great. I think it's one of the best things that you can do is look at your answers that you give to people. I think that's one of the best things. Yeah. So those answers can be changed. Those reasons can be changed. So just learn that some of our answers can serve us as a pattern recognition.